In this lesson, we will be adding resume from progress functionality, and we would like to test it on a real case, so we will swap the debug log with the fill image option. So let's open the driver. Let's add namespace unity engine.ui, and let's add public image myImage variable. Inside the driver routine, replace the debug log with the myImage.fillAmount equals result. To test it, let's go back to editor. Let's click on driver tester, and let's drag and drop the star image into the myImage variable. Let's press play. Now we can see the button works as usual, but we have a slight problem. When we stop it in the middle, for example, and press play backward, it is playing back from the end, so it's not respecting the progress from which it should start. To fix it, let's jump back to the driver. Let's create public float progress variable, and inside driver routine, let's create elapsed time equals progress, and in a while loop, let's create progress equals elapsed time. So they are basically connected together. Now let's change the run function. We need to add float underline progress as parameter, and also inside we need to add progress equals underline progress. Also, we need to change our run forward and run backward function accordingly. To test it, select driver tester game object, and we can see the progress, and press play. When we press the green button and also the yellow button, we have a problem. The buttons doesn't work anymore, and the programs have some negative value. To fix it, let's jump to our driver script, and we can see that if elapsed time, for example, is 0, the while loop is still valid, but we can still subtract time to delta time from it, and the progress can have negative value. To fix it, we will need to create a new method called calculate progress with the two parameter of float. First will be in time, and second will be duration. And inside it, let's create if statement. If in time is less than 0, in time equals 0. And if in time is more than duration, in times equals duration. So that's why we can't go below 0 and we can't go above duration. Let's return in time. And inside our driver routine, let's change progress equals our new method calculate progress with the elapsed time and the duration. Now we also have to change our result to result equals progress divide duration. Let's save it, and let's go back to editor. Let's press play, and now we can see our button working again, and also when we stop them at any time, it will resume exactly from that time. So everything works. So thank you, and see you in the next lesson.